Can Binance Coin flip Ethereum? All this time, people have been talking about Cardano or Stellar or EOS or any of the other dozens of blockchains out there that are going to come along and flip Ethereum, take down the smart contract king. But perhaps in the end, it'll be Binance Smart Chain, which steals the crown from Ethereum. In this video, I'll lay out the reasons why Binance is just going crazy right now and why I could actually end up flipping Ethereum, and if I think that scenario is even a likely possibility. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you navigate the wild, crazy world of cryptocurrency. So if you want to stay up to date on crypto, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell to know when I put out a new video. By the way, if you want to buy yourself some Binance coin, maybe some Ethereum, maybe some other top cryptocurrencies, some Cardano, some Chainlink, some Polkadot, well, you need to get yourself an account over on Binance. Use the link down below in the description to start your account and you'll get 10% off of your fees and up to $700 in bonuses. Just use the first link in the description to get started. Okay, so let's get into this topic. Binance Coin, BNB, has been absolutely booming recently, hitting a new all-time high today. Binance Smart Chain, BSC for short, has been just going crazy. So many users have been piling into just all the crazy DeFi stuff happening over on BSC. The BNB cryptocurrency is quickly becoming one of the most relevant and most used cryptocurrencies in the market. But why is this the case? What the heck is going on with BNB? Well, it's all about utility. People need BNB coin. First, let's start off with its utility on the centralized Binance exchange. So using the BNB token, that's the biggest exchange in the world, using the BNB token to pay for your fees gives you a 25% fee discount. Taken together with the 10% bonus for using my link, you can actually get a whopping 35% off of your trading fees, meaning that every trade only costs you 0.065%. This is one of the cheapest rates in the industry. Coinbase Pro, by comparison, 0.5%. That's almost 10 times as expensive. So yes, there's a very big demand to get this token to reduce those fees for trading on the Binance exchange. The BNB token also allows you access to the frequent and very profitable launch pools and launch pads happening on the Binance centralized exchange. And perhaps most importantly, every quarter Binance does a token burn based on trading fees paid each quarter in the exchange. This burn will continue until half of the entire supply of BNB has been burnt, meaning that Binance right now is a deflationary token. But the centralized exchange, while adding some very interesting token mechanics and a real business model for that token, that's not why I made this video. No, it's actually about the runaway success of the Binance Smart Chain. That is what is driving a whole new life into the BNB token. This is, definitely the main driving factor right now for the surge in the BNB price. Ethereum has in essence become its own worst enemy, with fees reaching truly absurd levels for even the most basic interactions on Ethereum these days. Transferring tokens can cost like $20. A trade on Uniswap can cost $100. Using Ethereum DeFi can literally cost hundreds of dollars. And even though fees are kind of down today, this has been the general picture for the last few months for Ethereum. Stepping into this obvious void in the market, it's BSC. They stepped in and they've managed to fill in that important market niche, catering to basically non-rich users. Ethereum right now, it is a playground for the wealthy. That's just a fact. If you can afford the fees on Ethereum, you're not your average investor, right? The fees can get insane sometimes. If you can afford paying Ethereum fees, congratulations, you made it. Crypto was made to lift up the average man, right? But until Ethereum scales, it will not fulfill that vision, not with crazy fees like this. There is a reason why BSC was able to go from basically 0% market share to capturing more than 15% of the total value locked in DeFi in just a few months. Users are voting with their feet. Whatever you want to say, chain maximals, any of that stuff, look where the users are actually going. People are sick of paying the insane fees. And BSC is giving them good options. They've got lots of DeFi stuff going on. They've got a good user experience with Trust Wallet and MetaMask, got cheap fees. And I know. BSC leaves a lot to be desired when it comes to decentralization issues. Very well aware of that. But again, people are voting with their feet. They want access to DeFi and they're not so concerned about these issues. And although BSC has of course been getting a lot of attention, it is far from the only game in town. I think that's worth pointing out. Terra Luna, for example, their Mirror protocol has managed to attract like $1.8 billion in total value locked up in their protocol. So yes, other chains are also picking up steam, but BSC is just way out in front. It's just captured an incredible percentage of the market share. Now, does the rise of, Binance Smart Chain mean that Ethereum is dead, it has no future? No. Far from it. Anyone telling you that, they're not paying attention to what's going on. Ethereum, more than any other blockchain, is pressing hard to keep their market share. Things which are happening in 2021 for Ethereum include an end to proof of work mining. That's massive news. A full transition of proof of stake on Ethereum 1.0. That's crazy. It's going to be really big. Optimism, very hyped. Layer 2 scaling solution that's still coming later this year, mid-year approximately. Starkware, a major layer 2 scaling solution. It's already shipping products. Polygon, the biggest Ethereum layer 2 solution, is already working. You can use it today. They're integrating with major DeFi protocols like Aave. And of course, then we have EIP 1559. That's going to bring in fee burning to Ethereum. And yes, Ethereum 2.0, still coming. Not this year, but it's still coming. So no, I'm not counting Ethereum out. I'm a major Ethereum bull, as you've probably noticed by watching the channel. It is still the premier smart contract platform. But we also have to be honest. We have to admit how crazy it is that BSC has managed to capture 15% market share in less than 6 months. This is, in all honesty, the first real time that Ethereum has had any actual competition for market share. No other blockchain network in the last 5 years, they've not even come close to doing what BSC has done in terms of getting users and getting people to actually use products on their freaking blockchain. But does that mean BSC is going to flip Ethereum? I have my doubts about that, even though you see a lot of people floating this idea on social media right now. Remember, Ethereum is not stagnant. The Ethereum developers are working day and night on upgrades to bring the network forward. And in terms of market share, we must also remember that DeFi, Ethereum's still the king here with around 80% of the share, and it's also exploding on other chains, Terra, Avalanche, Solana, Cosmos, rumblings on other chains too, so there's a lot of competition. Part of me even feels like simply the rhetoric that BNB will flip Ethereum, that may be a short-term topping signal for Binance Coin. We'll see if that plays out to be true, of course, but anyway, will Binance actually flip Ethereum? I think it's unlikely, but it's possible. To do so would require Ethereum to basically remain flat, which it won't, and for BNB to add another $170 billion to its market cap, which is one hell of a feat if you ask me. And even if Binance Coin does get up to the current price level of Ethereum in terms of market cap, then by that time Ethereum probably will have doubled or tripled in market cap over the same time frame. But flip or no flip doesn't really matter when it comes down to who's in position 2 or 3. What is certain is that until Ethereum manages to scale, other chains are going to continue to suck away market share. And right now, the leader of sucking away market share, Binance Smart Chain. Binance has by far been the most successful, but it is not alone in the smart contract platforms. There are others gunning for that market share. Your question for today, do you think that Binance Coin can actually flip Ethereum at some point? Or are you more bearish on the future of the BNB token? Let me know down below in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.